the Treblab X5s. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be looking at the Treblab X5 True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over features, specs, provide a microphone sample, and give my thoughts on them. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The earbuds come in a nice box and is packaged nicely. Everything is labeled. On the left, you have the user guide, and on the right side, you have the earbuds and charging case box. Below that, you have small, medium, large ear fins and ear tips. And on the side is the box for the micro USB cable for charging. The X5 features 6 hours of listening time, 12 plus with the case. It takes 2 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 4.2, it has button controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX4 sweat and water resistant. The case has a nice slim design to it. The top and bottom provide a nice grip with a rubbery feel to it. And on the side, it has a glossy plastic finish. On the front of the case, you have the earbuds LED indicator, micro USB charge port, and the charging case indicator. Just press the button to get the charge status for the case. The lid is solid and has a nice firm close to it. The earbuds are held into place by a clamp-like rubber on the inside, and it feels secure. You can see the charging contacts along with the left and right earbud markings in the case. The earbuds are very light and has that Apple form factor design to them. And on the bottom, they have the ear indicator markings. Each of the earbuds feature button controls, charging contacts, interchangeable silicone ear fins and ear tips, and microphone. And here they are side by side. And this is how they look compared to the Apple AirPods. As mentioned earlier, these utilize button controls, and it's laid out nicely on each of the earbuds. The manual goes into detail on each of the functions, and it's pretty straightforward. The case comes in at 2.7 by 1.9 by 0.8 inches. It weighs in at 39 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 14 grams. Now for a microphone sample. This is a test of the Treblab X5 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well. It came in at a decent volume and callers had no issues hearing me. You can also use the earbuds in mono, left or right side individually if you prefer. Watching videos with an iOS device, I didn't experience any latency or disconnects. Volume levels were good and it gets loud. So here are my thoughts on the Treblab X5s. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I found them to be very comfortable. The various sizes of ear tips and ear fins really helped to get the proper fit. They were easy to put on and it didn't require any twisting. The button control placement was great as it doesn't push into your ear canals like other designs, since it sits on the outside of the stem. They also provide a nice seal. Build and quality is good. I like the compact case and it provides a good grip. The earbuds and case feel durable and light. The controls were easy to navigate as well. One thing that I wish it had was Bluetooth 5.0 rather than the 4.2. Now when it comes to sound, I was surprised at the overall quality. The lows came in nice and tight. It just had enough punch for me. Not too deep, but definitely enough bass. Mids and highs were also very good. It comes in loud and clear, and very clean sounding. Vocals and instruments really stood out. It's well balanced with the treble and bass, and it's a pleasant listening experience through various music genres that I tested. So in my opinion, these are a great alternative to Apple AirPods if you are in the market for that style and look, as they provide a better sound experience. They are good for workouts or just everyday casual listening. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.